Hello, this is Jenny Toussaint, the home gardener, and I'm here with another tip for you for happy gardening. Now, this is something that happens in your garden after you have already harvested and you've cleaned up your garden area and you've got it plowed and ready for next year. And when that happens, you end up finding these, they're called fierce fanny bugs. And they're terrible. They get into your soil and you can't grow a thing the next year. And what they do, they have this tail, which that's why they're called a fanny bug. And these are eggs on the end of the tail. And they walk around in the garden and they shake. And all these eggs go into your soil and start turning into baby fierce fanny bugs. That's terrible. Once that happens, your soil is ruined for the next year. And people work so hard and want to have a nice garden the next year. A lot of people say, you know, that they don't have a green thumb and they can't grow anything. And actually, that isn't the truth. They just end up having these fanny bugs that are all through their garden soil. And it just ruins it so that they can't grow anything. People with good gardens that have real nice healthy plants have found these fierce fanny bugs and got rid of them. And the only way that you can really get rid of fanny bugs I have one thing that gets rid of them, and that's this black garden ant. And I found this in England. And of course they're hard to find. And then it's really helped me a lot because it's laid a lot of eggs and I have a lot of baby ants and they have also helped in the garden. But if you can't find those black garden ants, you can do one other thing. You can go to the dollar store and you get yourself a squirt gun. They're only $1. And then you take and mix this solution with Mountain Dew and cayenne pepper and a little bit of salt. You mix that up and put it in your squirt gun. You take it out and spray it all over your garden area, and that will kill the eggs. And then you won't end up with these fierce fanny bugs. Let me show you up close what they look like. Now they look innocent, but they really are fierce. They don't look as fierce as the garden sharks that I told you about, but they're just as bad. In fact, they do more damage than the garden sharks because you can't grow anything if you get these in your garden. So anyway, this is another helpful tip for people because I want more than anything to help people with their gardens. And so if I hear or come up with any ideas at all of varmints or bugs that get into your garden, I will tell you about them. I'll get on to the YouTube where I put my other tips and let you know about these varmints so that you have a nice healthy garden. So anyway, that's about all I have to say today. Just be careful, go out and look, and try to get some of those black garden ants. Put those in there, and if that doesn't work, go to the dollar store and get your squirt gun. Mix up the solution I told you, spray it on your garden area, and you'll have a nice garden next year. So for right now, I'll go and say bye-bye, but I'll see you next time. Happy gardening!